Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to ignore friend requests on Snapchat. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. So on Snapchat, when someone sends you a friend request, you can have two options. You can accept it and you can ignore it. So what if you want to ignore it? It's very simple. First of all, of course, you have to open our Snapchat. And from here, you can go to your friend list. And you'll find there you can see there's a friend request on your Snapchat. If you want to ignore it, you can just tap in here on the X beside their name, or you can tap and hold on your friend request, and there is an option ignore friend request. You can just select on that, so tap on ignore, so you have ignored that friend request from your Snapchat. It's very simple, right? So that is how to ignore friend requests on Snapchat. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.